Hi, everyone. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are the words we use when we talk about who does something in a sentence. I, use when you talk about yourself. Example, I am happy. Second one, you. You use when you talk to someone. Example, you are my friend. The others ones are he and she. He, for a boy or a man. Example, he is playing football. She, for a girl or a woman. Example, she is reading a book. It uses for a thing or an animal. For example, it is a sunny day, and we, for you and other people together. We can say, we are going to the park. The last one is they, for a group of people or things. Example, they are dancing. Now, let's learn about object pronouns. These are the words we use when something happens to someone. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Me, for yourself. Example, can you help me? You, for the person you're talking to. Example, I'll call you later. Him, for a boy or man. Example, I saw him at the store. And her, for a girl or woman. Example, give her the book. Last one, it, for a thing or animal. Example, I found it under the table. Last one's us, for you and other people. Example, she told us a story. Them, for a group of people or things. Example, I like them a lot. Now, let's talk about possessive pronouns. These show who something belongs to. Let's look at the list. Possessive pronouns mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Mine, it belongs to me. Example, this book is mine. Yours, it belongs to you. Example, is this pencil yours? Now, we explain his, hers, and its. His, it belongs to him. Example, that car is his. Hers, it belongs to her. Example, the bag is hers. Its, it belongs to an animal or thing. Example, the dog wagged its tail. Now it's time for a fun activity. Grab a piece of paper and write down your answers. My name is John. Am a student. This is my dog. Loves to play. Sarah and I are best friends. Xia. Always help each other. Do you see that boy? Talk to. Xiu. These toys belong to my brother. They are. T. This is Emma. Loves reading books. Tom is my brother. Is very funny. Look at the cat. Is so cute. Jack and I are friends. Play soccer together. These are my parents. Are kind and caring. Ah, I have a gift for Anna. I'll give it to. Can you see, Peter? I'm waving it. I found your pen. Here, take. Our teacher is explaining the lesson to. The kids are hungry. Let's make some sandwiches for. This is my bag. That one is. I know this jacket. It's. Belongs to him. These shoes are not mine. They are. Belong to her. This ball belongs to our team. It is. Those books are not ours. They are. Belong to them.